Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank all the people who took up their time to watch our video. I and my team partners decided to interview people on the topics that explore the importance of embracing equality, celebrating diversity, and fostering inclusion and equity in our communities. Now let's get started with our video. What comes to your mind when I say inclusivity?
I feel like inclusivity includes when we sit together with different set of people, but including us in a group, as in people with sharing the same thoughts and thought processes and the same ideologies. So they sit together in a group and they include themselves within each other. So in my thought, inclusivity stands out with that.
Okay. So do you think favoritism still exists in the society, and how does it affect you?
Yes, I think that favorism still affects, and we can see it on a daily life. Like in college, we can see that in school or college, we can see that teachers have their favorite students and give them more opportunities than the other students. And in society, there are different favorism that matters, like caste, color, religion, everything that matters.
Would you say you have never felt left out or missed out on an opportunity ever?
I feel like if I look for the recent times, recently we had a fashion show and looking for the opportunities because of there are different types of models and sizes. So obviously we stick to one particular size and one particular type of model. So we did missed out over that opportunity, and I felt like I could have done great and I could have done better there, but because of that I had to step back, and I feel like that was one point that I recently felt that I missed on an opportunity.
So what do you mean by equity?
So, in daily life, equity can be seen in the situations where resources, opportunities, or rewards are distributed fairly based on individual needs, abilities, or contributions. For example, if I can say कि me and my friend is working on the same company, so हमारे group project होगा, उसमें मैंने ज़्यादा work किया है और उसने कम, तो उसके basis पे reward हमें same ही मिल रहा है, तो ऐसे मुझे लगेगा कि it is not fair for me.
Okay. Yes. Thank you.
On equality and feminism.
So for me, equality is like for all the people, but feminism is like for the woman. It's like it speaks for like all the women, right? For examples like paid leave, because like men and women, they are biological different, okay, but for example like they are being paid the same, like for the same work, but a girl, like when she takes like maternity leave or something, she should get paid leave, because it's like both of them are like biologically different. So obviously we can't deny the fact that the girl is having like suffering from periods like every month, and they get paternity leave or something.
Can you mention one of the instances when you have faced inequality?
Okay, so I'll say I didn't face inequality in gender basis, but I faced inequality in religion basis. Like, should I give an example?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so for example, when I was shifting in flat, so I have some friends who are like from other religion, and they were ready to shift, okay, but their parents denied it, and the reason was they are okay to shift with a guy, but they are not okay to shift with a Muslim guy. Same goes like with one of my classmates. She was like, "Ke, I would have invited you to dinner, okay, but she said कि I cannot just cause you are a guy plus you are a Muslim." I would have understand about the guy situation also, but then she again told me that she has invited another guy to her house before. So that basically comes in gender inequality, and that's so common that I've been facing here.
The perception of people is like Muslims are not good.
Yeah, exactly.
A lot of times, right?
Yeah.
Helped us identify the building blocks of the society that are crucial for our self-being and development, happy living and coexisting as an individual in the society. And we hope it was crucial as it was for us and will be for you. Thank you.
A sincere vote of appreciation to all the students who volunteered to be interviewed and shared their thoughtful opinion and insights. By engaging in this discussion, You have helped foster a deeper understanding of inclusion, equality, and the value of our differences.
It can be concluded that the youth of India are on a path of becoming more compassionate and responsible individuals. This is evident as students today are increasingly aware of societal differences, yet remain eager to embrace diversity, inclusion, equality, and equity. Their openness and willingness to bridge the divides reflects a positive shift towards more harmonious and inclusive society.